That's disgusting. You're my brother. That's inappropriate.
What did he say?
Say mine.
He said, call my customer service.
It doesn't say mine. It just says any random one.
Well, then I will.
It could be your own.
Alex!
Makes it dance.
It's like a reality TV show up in here. Steven, go get my shoe!
Call my customer service! I don't want your dancing penis in my house. I could.
It's awesome. It's Coca spotted.
I'm good.
It's
What does it taste like?
Tastes like... Megan, what does it taste like?
Penis.
No, it tastes better than penis. It's gross.
Well, he doesn't know that. Do you know that?
Hey, Steven, it's gross. But wait, you told me that.
What?
He knew.
He knew.
You just knew. Steven, before Mom leaves.
Go get herself!
I can't. Before I leave what? I told him I should get out of the car.